Hi children. Hello, how are you? Are you fine? Yes. Did you recognize me? Did you recognize me? No? You see, just listen. Listen my voice. Clearly listen my voice. Did you know me? No? Yes. I am your Sridevi ma'am. Hi. How are you now? Yes, fine. Very good. Are you using healthy tapes? Daily you are washing your hands? Yes, 5 to 6 minutes compulsory. You have healthy food. Don't take junk food. Fruits and vegetables. Compulsory you have to eat fruits and vegetables, children. Okay, done. Now, shall we recite a rhyme? Yes. Shall we recite a rhyme? All are ready? Ready? Shall we? Yes. Bunny rabbit, come to me. No, 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 no. Bunny rabbit, come to me. No, 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 no. I must go far away. Shalala, shalala, shalala. Bunny rabbit, come to me. No, 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 no. I must roll far away. Shalala, shalala, shalala. Sunny dear, come to me. No, 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 no. I must run far away. Sunny rabbit, come to me. No, 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 no. Sunny dear, come to me. No, 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 no. I must run far away. Shalala, shalala, shalala. Bumblebee, come to me. No, 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 no. I must fly far away. Shalala, shalala, shalala. Very good, children. You have to recite like this. In the next class, again, we will recite the same rhyme. We will learn more and more. Okay? Next, I will tell a story. It is very interesting. You want to listen? Yes. In this story, one small insect, worm. Here is the worm. See, very small, no? It is moving. It is winged. It is winged. Winged means moving one place to another place. It is moving for lunch. Your parents, your mother will use different types of lunch. Biryani, vegetable pulao, and dal rice, curd rice, and so many rice. So many different types lunch your mother will prepare, no, for you. But for worm, who will prepare? No one. So worm have to search for lunch. So it is winged, it is moving one place to another place for lunch. What worm said? Dirt. It will eat dirt. Means mud. Means burada. So mud. It will take lunch mud only. It says, oh no, I don't want to eat lunch. No, dirt. I don't want to eat dirt. I want one more tasty food. I want. So it is moving one place to another. It is moving. Then rabbit. Rabbit is eating. What rabbit is eating? Rabbit is eating green grass. Oh, hello. Hello, worm. How are you? Oh, who are you? Who are you? I'm rabbit. What you are doing here? I'm eating grass. Oh, shall I taste it? Yeah, why not? You can taste it. Oh, now it start to eat. Oh, grass. No, this is not tasty. Because I have to chew. Chew means food We have to cut. We have to bite small pieces. Small pieces. We have to eat long time. So I don't want to eat. So this is not tasty. And once again it is wingled. It is going one place to another place. It is going one place to another place for searching tasty food. It is searching for tasty food. Now then deer. Deer. Oh. Hello, Worm. How are you? Oh, who are you? I am deer. Then what you are eating? I am eating bark. Tree bark. Tree bark means covered tree. Covered with tree. That is a bark. So I am eating bark. Oh, shall I taste it? Shall I taste it? Worm said like that. Oh, why not? You can taste it bark. It tasted. Worm tasted. Yeah. It is so hard. It is so hard. I cannot eat. I cannot able to eat. No, I cannot able to eat. So I don't want this type of food. No, I want to go one more place. So again it is winged. It is winged. Again it is going one place to another place. Next which animal? Beetle. Next which animal? Beetle. Next which animal? Insect? Beetle. So, hello Worm. Hello. How are you? Worm saw that. Hey, who are you? I am Beetle. Hey, Beetle. What you are eating? I am eating full of leaves. See, on the tree so many leaves are there. I'm eating leaves, green color leaves. Oh, shall I taste? Shall I taste? Yeah, why not? You can taste it leaves. So then Worm tasted leaves. Oh, leaves. Oh, leaves. These all dried. I don't want to eat these all dried leaves. No, I don't want to eat. So again it climbed tree. It climbed tree. Then finally bird came. Bird, it is flying and came. Hello Worm. Hello Worm. Hello Worm. Oh, who are you? I'm a bird. Oh, I see. What do you want to like to eat? I will eat beetle. Oh God! Just now I saw beetle. Beetle, go away. But bird said, no, I will eat beetle and worms also. Oh my God! It fell down the tree in the dirt. So happily, worm eating dirt. Happily, worm eating dirt. Oh, dirt. Yummy. It says happily. So, this is the story. So, in this story, what do you understand? Tell me. Yes. You must feel happy what you have. Okay, children? Yes. Now, I will write some new words. Now, new words. Then, before that, I will show color pictures from your book. Fine? Yes. Yes, children. Now, who is looking for lunch? Different types of tasty food. Who is looking? Yes, Worm. Very good. Worm. For what? For tasty drink? No. For food? No. For lunch. Looks for lunch. Looks for lunch. Yes. Now see your textbook. Then in the first page, here is the worm. Here is the worm. See, it is wrinkled. It is from the grass. It is coming over the grass. It is coming. Dirt, dirt, dirt. It want tasty food. It is searching for food. It came. First one. First animal is rabbit. See the rabbit. Rabbit is tasting what? Green grass. Now worm said, shall I taste it? Rabbit said, why can't? You can taste it. It tasted. Oh, it is chewy, chewy. Many times, so long time I have to eat. No, I don't want to eat. So it is going along. Next. Next animal. Who? Next animal? Deer. Yes, you are right. Deer. Next. Deer said, oh, worm, worm, hello worm. Just worm see that. Oh, what you are eating? I'm eating bark. Again beetle asked, shall I taste it? Yes, why not? Yes, then worm taste it. Oh, bark, it is too hard. I cannot, I am not able to eat. No, I don't want to eat bark. So, next, then where it went? Beetle. Beetle came next. Yes. First one, rabbit. Rabbit after deer. Next, third one, beetle. Yes, beetle is eating. Oh my God, so many leaves. Green leaves it is eating. Again, worm asked, shall I taste leaves? Yes, you can taste. Oh, dry leaves. I cannot able to eat. No, again worm went away from that place. Next, finally, here bird came. I can eat beetle and worm also. Oh my God, don't eat me. It fell down from in the dirt. So happily, this worm start eating dirt only. So feel happy what you have. That is most important. Okay? Right, children? Shall I write new words here? What you learn. Now you have to learn new words. Okay, children? Yes. Now here, first one is wrinkled. W-I-G-G-L-E-D. Wrinkled. You have to divide that. You have to divide that, and then you have to learn. Okay. When you will see the textbook, you have to underline these words. Then slowly you have to practice. Then you will get it easily. When you will break the word, then you can learn. You will next. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Bark means it covers. Tree cover. Okay. That is a hard stuff, and that is stem also. Okay. Next. Bark also you can divide. Next, grass. G-R-A-S-S. G-R-A-S-S. Easily you can learn. Okay. Next, fourth one. Tried. T-R-I-E-D. Tried. Try. Your madam will say no. T-R-I-E-D. Try. Next. Fifth one. Beetle. B-E-E. Double E. B-E-E. Double E. T-L-E. B-E-E. B-E-E. T-L-E. Beetle. Okay? Next. Sixth one. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Not only leaf. Only one means you can say leaf. L-E-A-F. L-E-A-F. Leaf. More leaves means leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Next one. Important one. Eating. Eating. What is that? E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Easy, no? E-I-E-A-T-I-N-G. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Next. Next one is warm. You didn't learn. First of all, W-O-R-M. W-O-R-M. Next, 10th one final. What worm likes to eat? Dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Now these are all new words you have to practice. These are all new words you have to practice. Then you will get it easily. Yes, children. Now, after this, in this page, next page, see, this page we will do. This is all very easy, simple. Which animals does worm meat? What is the first animal? I am reminding once again. What is the first animal? Yes, you are right. Rabbit. Second animal, deer. Third insect, beetle. Fourth one, bird. So, these are all in this lesson, animals and insects and birds. Now, this bit, which animals does the worm meet? Beetle, it met, worm met beetle, no? Yes or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Put the tick mark. Put the tick here. Next, lion. Worm met lion? No. Yes, no. You have to put the cross out. Next, elephant. Very good, children. No. Next, bird. Yes. Worm met bird. Now, crocodile. Worm met crocodile. Yeah. No. Cross out. Next, deer. Yes. Very good. Next, rabbit. Yes. First animal, no. Yes. Rabbit. Wolf. No. Cross out. Very easy, no? Yes. You have to practice. Once again you have to practice. Yes. Now, leaves. Who is eating leaves? Here, rabbit. No. Bird. No. Here, beetle. Yes. Now, just join it. 1 to D. Yes. Grass. Who is eating grass? Green grass. What is the first animal in the story? Yes, you are right. Rabbit. Second to C. Rabbit. Beetles and worms. Who is eating beetles and worms? Last. Yes, bird. Next, bark. Hard bark. Who will eat? Yes, very good, children. 4 to B. D. Easy, no matching? Yes, again you have to practice. Okay? Next. Page. Turn the page. Here, this one we will do. Matching. Okay? Rabbit. Animals' homes. Animals and their homes. Rabbit. Burrow. Next, dog. Where dog lives? In the kennel. Come on, match it. 2. Second one. Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Rabbit. Burrow. Dog. Kennel. Next, deer. Where deer will live? Come on, tell me. Come on, deer. Where? Do it. Do it yourself. Pond? No. Nest? No. Stable? No. Grassland? Yes. Grassland. Lion. Where lion lives? Very good. In the cave. Bird. Stable? No. Top of the tree. Very good. Nest. Bird to nest. Fish on land? No. Pond. Water. In the pond, water will be there, no. Say next, match it. Pond. Horse. Very good. Stable. Easy, no? This one also you have to learn. I will send worksheets. You have to do homework. Then I will give 10 by 10, 10 out of 10 marks. Then I will give star. I will give star mark. And ice cream, chocolate, mango. So many pictures I will give to you. Okay? Very good, children. Now, here the worm does not, first way. The worm does not like grass. It is too chewy. C-H-E-W-Y. Chewy. The worm does not like bark. It is too hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. The worm does not like leaves. These leaves are dry. It says no. Very good, children. See, these 2 bits over. Next, I will send worksheets also for you. Here, this is very interesting for you. Okay, draw and label picture of an animal, its home. Okay, now in this box, empty no? Here, you have to draw home and animal. Okay, now see, I will draw here. See, kennel, just like a kennel. You can draw dog. You can draw dog. Whatever you want. Whichever. Home and animal. Animal and their home. Yes. Okay. Then grammar part in the next class we can learn. Okay, children? Bye.